Hey guys, today we're going to share with you how to make any space smell good, whether that space is a room, your car, a bag, whatever, and it's going to smell like the garden. So today we're going to show you how to make garden scents.
Garden scents.
This is a really great activity for kids. It's fun. It allows them to be creative through using a completely different sense. You know, you're using your sense of smell and kind of just creating what you think will smell good. And they're also learning about the plants that they're using and what those plants smell like. So it's a whole another way of teaching kids in the garden. It's just to have fun with the scent of it. And then once they start learning about the scent of it, then they can start learning about even more about that plant. Because a lot of times when they're doing this project, they start becoming more curious, because kids naturally are, they start becoming more curious about that plant because they love the smell of it. So then they want to know more about it.
Yep.
Yep, so
And
that's
then
always
your
fun.
kid will get smarter into that plant. And then someday they can teach their kids about it.
Yep, they'll teach their kids about it. That's right.
Or they can be scientists.
A scientist, Sayla
A
said they can be.
scientist? Yeah.
Yep. See, there's one growing, so cut the little one down right here. No, not that little one. Right there. Yep. Is it hard? Yeah, they're a little bit tougher, huh?
Look at it.
Remember, blades away from the hand. There.
So what are we doing here?
So we're cutting all the smelly herb. No, watch your fingers. Okay, there. We're cutting all the smelly herbs and we're making little like scent balls, scent poofs. I
Oh,
don't
like
know what to
we
call
got
it.
in the car?
Yes.
Yeah.
So like a car freshener, a room freshener, a bag freshener, and I'll show you what we're doing. But Sayla loved what I made for our car so much that she wanted to make one for her room.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So we already did the, watch your fingers. I'm so nervous. You know, we cut stuff all the time.
I know.
So we already did the white sage. We're doing the eucalyptus, and then I'll see what we do next.
Nice. Looks like
Alright.
it's gonna be a nice blend.
Yeah. So now she's adding in.
The rosemary.
Rosemary?
Yeah, wait. Never cut towards your fingers. Always cut away from your fingers. See, like now you're cutting towards them. You gotta cut away. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and low into your bowl.
Okay.
Really accentuates the smell and the natural scent inside
It smells like
of the
honey.
plant.
It smells like honey.
Doesn't that smell amazing?
All right, looking for lemongrass. Got it?
Smell it.
Oh, it smells like lemon.
Hang on, we're not done yet, Seema. So I always just grab it and then cut off the... I do have big bundles of the lemongrass already dried and ready, but I have those in our drying racks. So
Oh,
they're inside.
Yeah, I'd say it's nice we can still use this stuff though.
I know, I'm like, might as well. And I just cut
Yeah,
off like the
smells good.
anything wet. Anything wet I just cut off.
It smells super good.
But yeah, you can make these on your own for whatever you want to make smell better. And it's so much better than buying like those scents in the store because you just don't know what you're getting. And it's like,
fresheners you hang on your mirror.
yeah, and there's so many chemicals in those and they're always so like too much.
Right. Even like the Glade ones that you put in the vents
Yeah.
and stuff like that.
Yep. So this is one of those things that like you can do on your own, but this is also one of those things that we'll offer like on the website too. Pretty dry.
You bring that in by Sayla?
Yep.
So that's lemon basil, and there's a lot of seeds, but
Oh.
the seeds are also super scented too. So
It smells like fruit. It smells like grapes. It smells like grapes too.
and right where you cut it is where you can really smell it too. It's very citrusy.
How do you make it? How do you make it?
Ooh, I can smell it. Yeah, as soon as I walked in here. Oh, look at, there's one of the lighter moths. Wow, that smells really good. I mean,
And I said, it
look at that.
It actually does smell like honey. Get Prancer.
Hey, Prance. He's just laying out.
So you're getting in there with your little hand. It smells so amazing. We've got
It
the
does.
lemon basil, the lime basil, eucalyptus, white sage, rosemary, lemongrass. It smells like the garden.
It does.
Okay. Okay. And you don't have to use all dried stuff.
Mom,
Okay. I can't actually walk right now.
Yeah, she just did something to her knee.
I don't know, getting
When-
the lemongrass. I hope you kids really enjoy these. Mama blew her knee over it. Okay. Let's see here. Either way, I got crutches. We're good. Okay. Yeah.
make sure it smells good in order to put it
Right. That's a good tip, Lana.
Yeah, you don't want to put something in there that's not going to smell good, right?
in. Yeah. Whoa, Mommy, you don't... We should put flowers in there.
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry.
I got it.
No, it's okay. There's plenty in here for one.
Whoa.
That was fun. This is the wind is that. I got it.
We're going to use cheesecloth, and that's why you don't have to make sure that everything is dry. Because when you use cheesecloth, it's, you know, a very fine, thin material, so there's room for air to move through it, so it'll dry automatically. So nothing will get moldy if you're not using dry herbs.
Hold on 1 second.
All we do is cut a square off. So now,
Sure.
right.
Then she's going to put some of this stuff in there.
Yep, that's right, Lana. So we're gonna dump it right on top of the cheesecloth that we just cut.
Make sure it doesn't go. Make sure your cheesecloth is like big enough for like it all to fit, because otherwise, like, you could do a smaller batch.
Pull
if
the
you wanted.
corners. That's right, Lana. Pull
Make
the
sure
corners.
there's no holes.
Yep, make sure there's no holes. Lana, it's like you've already done this.
I never done it. That's the truth. I never done it, but like this is the process I think.
But it's so easy that it's even easy for kids to do, and it's fun. And then what we're gonna do is to make it look prettier
Thank you, Mom.
and cuter, we're gonna use a little jute rope.
Make it like a colorful rope.
There we
Can
go.
you show us
And let me do one more thing. One more thing here. So we're also gonna just go ahead and cut all the extra little stuff off, and I'll show you why.
So that way it's not too long. No, because we don't want a bunch of fluff. Because otherwise it would just... Because we want it to be evened out. And then it would look really cute.
And then it looks more like a little flower on top.
Oh, yeah.
I want to show them a trick. So you see this right here? If you try it bigger, you could put it around something like a car rear,
Yeah,
Yep.
car mirror. Yeah.
Yep.
or like you could hang it like you know how like you can unlock your window with like the little locks.
Yeah.
You could like hang it around there and just have it like hang there and make it really small.
Yeah.
So we got one of these. Casey put one in our in my car and her car, and it smells amazing in there.
It's a whole difference.
Yeah.
You can put a lot of things. So you can put it in like a box.
Smell the garden. It takes you to the garden.
Yeah. It's awesome.
So you can make it yourself, or
You
You know,
can
we
buy
can make
We'll
it
make
for
it for you.